5 particularly creepy and disturbing facts about Nazi Germany. 1. Nazi human experimentation. The Nazis conducted horrific medical experiments on prisoners, especially in concentration camps like Auschwitz. Victims were subjected to freezing experiments to simulate battlefield conditions, high-altitude tests using low-pressure chambers, sterilization trials and exposure to toxic chemicals. Josef Mengele, the Angel of Death, was infamous for experimenting on twins, often without anesthesia. These experiments were conducted with zero consent and led to agonizing deaths or permanent injuries. 2. Lebensborn Program. The Lebensborn Project was a state-supported Nazi breeding program aimed at producing racially pure Aryan children. It included encouraging SS members to father children with racially ideal women, kidnapping thousands of children from occupied territories, especially Poland and Eastern Europe, who had Aryan features, then re-educating them as Germans. These children were often stolen from their families and raised under a false identity. 3. The Holocaust by bullets. While the gas chambers are more widely known, a significant portion of the Holocaust occurred via mass shootings in Eastern Europe. Einsatzgruppen, mobile killing squads, followed the German army into the Soviet Union, rounding up and executing entire Jewish communities. Victims were often forced to dig their own graves, and were then shot in mass pits. Over 1.5 million Jews were killed this way, often face to face. 4. Nazi occultism and pseudoscience. High-ranking Nazis, particularly Heinrich Himmler, were obsessed with the occult. Himmler founded the Ahnenerbe, an SS institute to study ancient Aryan heritage which sought mythological artifacts like the Holy Grail, promoted pseudo-scientific racial theories claiming to prove Aryan superiority, used this ideology to justify genocide and conquest. They believed in a mystical, racially pure Germanic past, and used this mythology to support real-world atrocities. 5. The final solution was bureaucratically planned. The Holocaust wasn't random violence, it was methodically organized. The Wannsee Conference in 1942 involved Nazi officials calmly discussing the logistics of exterminating 11 million Jews. Trains were scheduled, camps built, and resources allocated with cold efficiency. Mass murder was turned into a paperwork-driven government program, revealing the horrifying potential of a modern bureaucratic state.